Okay, hey guys. I am coming in from the garage. This ever. Oh, Jesus. What is that? Okay, so I have a contractor coming in to fix what the other contractor did a crappy job of. So he's going to fix like this finish work here. And this is the laundry room. He's also going to remove the door here, make a casing, and then enclose this entrance here into my son's room. So they're going to be working on that today. I'm super excited. So this door is going to be gone and this is going to be fixed. All right, guys, I just got back. Oh, when I tell you, look at this. So you put quarter round on the end, the door, and it goes all the way down to the floor like it should. It looks good, doesn't it? Looks like it's supposed to be open. It looks really good. Oh my God, he painted. He didn't need to paint. Oh my God, they painted. Why? That's so nice. Oh, and they started. Okay, they put drywall and a little bit on the other side. No problem. So this is a 2-day job, so he's gonna come tomorrow and finish up. Yeah, he smooth that out. Baseboards, awesome. Look on the other side. Okay, because he kept putting. Oh yeah, that's so neat. Yeah, he put a bunch of sham, mud. He was mudding quite a bit to try to get the wall suite even so that it wouldn't
So
look.
did he just put like a wall here and glue it to the other wall?
They're not done, babe. It looks really, really good. It really does. It looks really good. So this will be open. So guys, he just finished the project and he repaired the floor. He ended up putting down one new tile and he put down the old one that was there. I'm thinking about probably ripping all of these out and get them redone. But see, he repaired it. So see how it goes all the way down to the ground and it's fixed. He put a new board so that there isn't a hump, which I am happy about. Now onto this bad boy. Look at it. It's all done, guys. Patch up some holes. It's all done and paint. But that is it. Look how good that looks. So now it looks like it's meant to be open. It was supposed to be, but just an open space. And here is the wall. It's in here now. It's all done. I just have to paint. and finished. She installed all new baseboards to line up. They look so good. And this is another angle of the door itself. They ended up doing a little bit of drywall on the side, so this is the opening here. Looks great. Let me shut the door. This is a brand new door he got. I ordered the knob for it. It looks so good. I love it. Love that it's separate because we oftentimes have guests and they'll sleep up here, so we have to kick my son out of the room, and I just don't want to be moved. I just don't want to move my kids around for guests. So this, which will also double as the playroom, you know, teen hangout space, and movie room, which is fine. And it'll also double as a guest room because this couch is a pull-out. And eventually I'm gonna put in a, what do I want up here? Oh, I just want a microwave and a little like fridge to finish it off up here. Let's take a look on the other side. Look, real life 16-year-old boys, you see? And he knew people were coming over today, but he knew they were finishing up today, so he's just not gonna clean his room. This is what the wall is looking like on the other side. This is so good. Such a good job. We're gonna paint. We are going to decorate. Because I still have to change his room out, change his bed out. Although this is a good bed. Got it from Pier 1 long time ago, but it's gotta go. I asked him if it felt smaller in here, but it's actually, no, it's actually a good size room, even though the opening is gone now. Say hi, Luke. All right. I haven't finished the opposite side, but this is what the room is looking like so far. This is what the room is looking like now. And we all know how difficult teenage boys can be. Don't know. He wanted like an industrial, what is it called, Jim? Don't know. Yeah. Shrugs. All right, shrugs. He wanted like an industrial kind of theme. I really don't know. But I do want to show you guys this a little bit more. It is really cute. And I picked this up from, where did I get this? Hobby Lobby. I got this from Hobby Lobby today. Oh, cool. All right, so this is the room. That's his bathroom. And this is his closet. Join me as I transform this space. Thanks. He hates being on camera. I'm probably gonna keep this drapery. I got it from Walmart, this one, and his desk, of course. All right, let's get it started.